Hello, friends. My name is Toby Adeliji, and I'll be your trainer for this particular course. My objective here is to train you on how to open a document and save in different formats. I'll be using Microsoft Office 2016. So right about now, we would go into our document. Okay, on my screen here, you see that I have a document populated with contents. But if you look up here, you wouldn't see the title of my document. So that means that I haven't saved my document. Okay, but before I do that, I would like to first of all show you how to open a document. Okay, at the top right left corner, you see a file tab. Remember file tab from the ribbons? Yes, file tab. Okay, so you click on that and then you see save. Once you click on save, it brings up a window to ask, okay, what is the title of your document? And then here, that's for save. Okay, well, that's not what we want to do right now. We want to open a document. Okay, so come here, you see the open document. And then once you click on that, you see it shows you all the recent documents that I have worked on. But we don't want to do that. We want to actually open a document that is probably on my PC. So I have a document on my desktop. I'll just like to move down there quickly. And then I have a document, say Microsoft Training. So I scroll down here in this folder. And then we see this document right here. So once I click on that and then click on open, and you see that my document is opened on my page. Don't mind the content, I just copied it from a site online, and then so it is not properly formatted. I just need you to understand that I just want to show you how to open documents from via your application or your Microsoft Word document, and it applies all across the Microsoft Office suite. So if you want to open any document, either in PowerPoint, in Excel, that is the way you do it. That's for a recap. Let's do it again. So we go to File, the top left corner, click on Open. See Open right here. Okay, click on Open, and then go to this PC. Remember that we're using Microsoft 2016. Okay, so like I always say, if you're not using 2016, well, I don't know where you are right now. So I just need you to understand that you need to upgrade and come up to the level of professionals. Just joking. Anyways, just joking. Okay, so you click on PC or double click on that, and then it shows you the pop-up window, and then navigate to your desktop. You can tap it here as well, and then scroll to whichever folder that you have stored your file or your document in, and this is where I stored mine. So Microsoft Training, you can see that I just put one there, and once you have to click on it, click on the document, and then click on Open. All right, as simple as that. All right, okay, so the next task on my list is to also show you how to save documents. So I'm going to just close this. I have a document that I haven't saved already, so you can see that. All right, so a lot of people like using shortcuts. Okay, so the shortcut for saving a document is Control S, while the shortcut for opening a document is Control O. So but we're talking about saving now, so we'll focus on the shortcut, which is Control S. So once I click on Control S on my keyboard, you can see that it pops it up. Okay, so usually, but there's no way for me to show you my keyboard, so I need you to know the right way, or rather the manual way of saving your document. Okay, so let's just close this right now. All right, and then go to File, remember File tab, and then you see this document here say Save, and then once I click on that, you can see the same pop-up window that came up. All right, so and then you can just retitle it and say my first training class. See, my first training class or class, or whatever you can name it anyway. Okay, so and another thing is that remember that I said to teach you how to save, not just to save. I know a lot of people know how to save already, but to save in the different format types. Sorry, you see down here you can see the different types of formats that we have. Okay, and most organizations like their documents being in PDF, which is portable documents format. So that's down here where you can see where I'm selecting already. Okay, so but I just want to save it in my document first of all. So let me first of all save this document. Okay, so I save it into the same folder that I remember, Microsoft Training. That's where I save mine. You have to first of all determine the location of your document before you save. Okay, so you can see that at the top of my document it has changed to the name of which I described down there, or rather defined in my save window pop-up. Okay, so you could do that. Alright, so let's go look at the different file formats. Okay, so I want to save my document in a PDF, for instance. So you have to go to save as. Okay, save as what? Double click and then you see PDF. Remember what PDF is? Portable document format. Okay, good. So you can see that, and it shows me optimized for standard publishing, online printing, minimize the size and all that. So you could do your formatting of your documents. So you can just leave it as standard publishing. Okay, and then once you do that, you could click on save, and then it shows you your document. Voila, this is my PDF document. And then if you go to my folder, which I have down here, you will see that it has already been saved in PDF. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's close this and go back to our document. All right, so the next thing I also want to say is that you could also save your document and password it. Okay, so I'll show that to you in a bit. So you can see down here, once you come back to this same window, you see something here down here called tools. So once I click on that and I go to general options, I select that, and then I come here, put in my password. Let's say just put in a 4-letter password, and then you see that it shows password to open my document. Okay, and then the other one is for password to modify. So if you want to restrict people from modifying your document, you could also add an extra password. So for instance, I come here and I say, okay, protect my documents. So this is for the encryption aspect. Okay, so once I click on OK, it asks me password to say Toby, and the password to modify say Toby. So, and then my document is open. So I click on save, and that's it. So those are the ways that you could save your documents. I hope that this training course has been informative for you, and thank you for watching.